Question: what online business can you start? That's the exact same question that I had. And I started my own online business. How did I do that? That's the big question. It was so simple. Okay, so my name is Marlene, and my husband and I were campsite wardens for 10 years. And we retired, and I just wanted to have a part-time job to do so that I could earn a little bit of extra income in order to be able to splash out and actually really enjoy our retirement. And being over 60, that's not easy to try and find another job. And I think for anybody of any age, we all know how difficult it is to actually try and find a job, especially when you do not have very specific skill sets, and when you don't have high qualifications, you don't have university degrees or anything like that. And then to try and find another job in your 60s is not easy, and it can be actually quite soul destroying. So I just turned to the internet and I thought, well, I've got to find something somewhere. Surely there has to be something. And then, yes, I did. I found the Legacy Builders program. So let me just tell you a little bit about the Legacy Builders program, because so many people have got so many questions. Okay, so what do you need to start your own business? So a very small investment. I started at the Legacy Builders program. Sorry, consists of 4 levels. Okay, it all depends on your startup budget. So I had a very small startup budget, and so for a very small investment of just $100 for the program, and then you paid $29 for the website fee, which is like your freedom machine where everything operates from, and that's all your automations run into that. And then also when I set up my domain and my professional email address and that sort of thing, I just had to pay a very small fee for insurances and that sort of thing. But that was in the domain side of it. Okay. So, and I think in pounds, I paid a little bit over £100 for my initial startup investment. So, and then all I had to do was actually follow the program. And once my business was set up, and it was really, really easy to follow. It's a step-by-step process that you follow, and you integrate your domain and your professional email address and your payment gateway into your website, and that then goes into your automations, and they teach you everything. They teach you exactly how to do it, and it is really, really easy. You do not have to know anything about tech. I knew nothing about tech. And but anyway, I got set up, and it is easy and it is simple. So to do that, you needed a laptop, your mobile phone, your smartphone, and the internet connection, and then your small investment fee. Okay, and basically those are the 4 things that you need. And so when you start getting set up, and when you have integrated your information into the pre-built business, and then you're ready to launch. And when you're ready to launch, you just follow the process. And they don't stop and say, there you go, there's your business, and off you go. No, it doesn't stop there. They then give you step-by-step help things. They give you daily mentoring. You get daily tips and tricks and how to promote your business. And they actually teach you how to do your 2-hour work day. So your 2 hours a day is actually a structured 2 hours, giving you tasks to do that are money earning tasks. Okay, and then after that, yes, then you do a little bit of training in addition to that, because now you are learning a new skill set. Okay, and you are learning how to promote your business. So you need to invest a little bit of time in addition to the 2 hours into your business, because you're investing it into yourself. This is your future income. So you do need to invest a little bit in yourself and in your training. Okay, because I did that. And one of the modules in your program is how to go from launch to profit in 7 days. Now, I will admit it's not a guarantee, because it all depends on you. Are you willing to learn? Are you willing to not only learn, but then to actually implement what you learn? So Michelle will take you through things, and then she will show you how to do things and how to do your promotions and how to do your money earning tasks. But if you don't implement them and you don't follow up, and basically, like your mother would say to you, do as you're told. If you don't do that, you're not going to succeed. It's like with any business, and it's like with even with your college degree. You can learn it, but if you don't actually start putting it into practice, you're not going to qualify and you're not going to get the jobs. And so it's exactly the same with this business. Yes, follow the step-by-step process. You will be set up. Follow the step-by-step money earning tasks and go from launch to profit within 7 days, and that is a definite possibility. I did that, and then I was actually able to then upgrade from the launch pad to the next step, which was the passive daily pay blueprint. And in that, I literally learned so much more. And with each upgrade that you do, you actually do learn a lot more. And your business will grow and grow and grow from one level to the next, to the next, to the next. And so, yes, I definitely would strongly recommend that if you are looking for a business and you're looking for something and money earning tasks to do online, and you have no idea what to do, where to start, have a look at the Legacy Builders program. And if you want to have a look at it and you want to look at into real detail, just go into the comments and type the word ready, and I'll send all the details to you right to your inbox. And I'll also invite you to the next free live webinar. So you'll be invited to the next free live webinar, irrespective of whether you sign up to the Legacy Builders program or not. It doesn't matter. I will still invite you to that free live webinar. And at that live webinar, you are welcome to actually start asking questions. And in fact, if you have questions right now and you've got things on your mind and you want to know a few more details, you have specific questions that you want to ask, just go into the comment and ask your questions, and I'll come right back here and I will answer your questions for you. Okay, so don't be shy. Go into the comments, ask your question, and I'll come back and I will answer your questions for you right here. Okay.